Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn the full forms. There are various full forms in computer, but we are going to learn some of the full forms only. So let's start with the first one. That is the before starting, I want to tell you something, that you have to learn these full forms also for the next coming examination, and you have to learn the MS Word common keyboard shortcuts, which is given in your book on the page number 115, as here it is. Yes, this is the MS Word common keyboard shortcuts, which is given in your book 115, and you have to learn the shortcut keys for the MS PowerPoint common keyboard shortcuts. This is given in your book 116 page number. You have to learn the shortcut keys of both the Word and the PowerPoint, and after that you have to learn the full forms, as I am going to discuss now. So the first one here, it is PC, that is personal computer. PER per SONAL, personal computer. Second, it is CPU, Central Processing Unit. From the standard one, you all are studying this CPU, and it is the brain of the computer, and it is also the processing device of a computer. OS, operating system, OPERATING, operating system. Operating system, without operating system, the computer system can't work. It requires operating system so that the user can give instructions, and accordingly the computer gives the output or the result. So operating system is required to perform any tasks on the computer. It's necessity, or you can say it is necessary for any system. UPS, fourth it is UPS, that is uninterruptible power supply. UPS, why we are placing UPS, or why we are attaching the system to the UPS? Because it whenever there is a power supply fluctuation, there is a fluctuation in power, then it controls all this. Your system won't be disturbed, or you won't be disturbed the work which you are carrying out. You won't be getting disturbed by that. Or if you haven't saved any document which while you were working, and if the power goes on, then there is a UPS to provide you the power supply, so there won't be any error, or you won't be losing any of the files which you haven't saved up till now. Because as you all know, if you haven't saved any file during the working, then that file gets lost if the system gets shut down, isn't it, right? Yes. RAM, random access memory, as we all are working on this only, RAM only, and it is storing the data temporarily. Second, it is ROM, read-only memory, that is at the time of booting or at the time of starting a system, it loads all the loads the operating system in the computer's memory. And it is read-only memory. It only defines that we can read these instructions written in this memory. We can't do any changes, or we can't make any changes to it. Seventh, it comes the LCD. Nowadays, you might have heard of this word LED, LCD. These are the displays, यानी जो monitors आपके आते हैं, that are of this type, LED, LCD, CRT. CRT used to come earlier. It बहुत बड़ा सा box हुआ करता था, that is. And nowadays the flat screen is there, and with a thin screen. That all are the new technologies. As new technologies has been developing, accordingly their monitor size and their looks are also changing. So one of that is the LCD, and it is the liquid crystal display. Liquid crystal display, that is the LCD screens. If you touch on that, it displays a liquid scattering on that display. Next comes the LED, that is light emitting diode. ये एक diode है, that is emits light, so it's LED. It is light emitting diode. LED bulbs you might have seen, so that is LED bulbs it comes, you can see at your home or might be some other places you might have seen. Next it is NTFS, that is New Technology File System. बहुत सारे systems ऐसे develop हो चुके हैं जिसमें हम लोग अपने files को store करके रख सकते हैं और we can manage our file system. Next it is the FAT, that is FAT, what it is? File Allocation Table. File Allocation Table, it is the place where we can place our files, and it is the extension also. SD, it is Secure Digital. Digitally if you are securing any files, for that. MMC, you all might have heard about the multimedia, that is the multimedia card. DOC, that stands for the document. MS, it stands for the Microsoft, and TXT, it stands for the text. So again I am telling you, you have to learn the full forms, plus you have to learn the shortcut keys of the MS Word and MS PowerPoint also. So what you have to do, you have to learn this and you have to write it down in a class or copy, this full forms. That's all for today. Thank you.